After witnessing the overwhelming love and support you all showed me in the previous video, I've made a decision to provide you with even more high-quality and informative content. Now have a look at this Etsy store. In the past 3 years, they've made over 211,000 sales just by selling sassy quotes. That's at least $800,000 in revenue. And you know what? It only takes 10 minutes to create these types of stickers. First, let me explain the business concepts so you can better understand what we'll be covering in this video. First, we'll generate quotes with the help of ChatGPT. Then we'll design them using Canva. After that, we'll use Printify to print and ship our quotes. Finally, we'll list them on Etsy and start generating passive income. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to create the exact same stickers as your competitors. This is a great way to start out, because you can see what's already working and then build on that. Next, you'll learn how to create your own unique quotes. Once you have your designs, then we will see how you can upload them to Printify and list them on Etsy. I highly recommend you watch the entire video, as it contains a wealth of valuable information. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single part. First, head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt: give me 10 categories of quotes with 5 to 4 unique words, and it should be trademark-free quotes. Let ChatGPT work its magic and generate a variety of quote categories. And if you're not satisfied with the initial results, simply ask ChatGPT to generate quotes in your desired category. Here, this quote caught my attention, so I am gonna choose this one. And now that we have our quote, we will proceed to design it using Canva. And to be honest, I was proud of the end product, so keep watching to see how it came out. Before we start designing our quotes, we need to do some research and analysis to make our product better than our competitors. The best way to do this is by checking the reviews of our competitors. This will help us understand what changes we need to make in our design. For example, one customer said that she found it unique sayings. This means that we need to make sure that our quotes are original and not something that our competitors are already selling. Another customer said that the words on the sticker were too close together. This is something that we need to avoid, as it can make the sticker difficult to read. Another instance showed a customer's misunderstanding due to the product image displaying multiple stickers, but only offering a single sticker. So keep this in mind. You can explore more reviews to get better understanding. And in the end, you should have a similar list of what people like and dislike, because understanding what people like will help you create something that has proven to work, and understanding what people don't like will help you improve your product. Therefore, you'll stand out and attract more customers. That means what people like plus what people dislike equals unique high-quality product. Now it's time to design our end product using Canva. But before we proceed, if you're enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Head over to canva.com and click on Create Design. Then select Custom Design and enter the dimensions as 3000 pixels width by 3000 pixels height. Now, click on Create a New Design. This will create a new blank canvas that is 3000 times 3000 pixels in size. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your desired quote, and return to Canva. Paste the quote into the blank canvas. As you can see, it's pasted in super tiny. To fix this, let's change the font size to something like 250. Now we can see the text much better. Next, we'll need to change the font style. Take a look at this store. You'll notice that it uses a consistent font across its products. To match the theme, let's do the same. Now explore this section to choose a font you like. Here are a few font recommendations: Chewy, Calistoga, and Carter 1. The best part is that these fonts are free. Additionally, we'll make our text uppercase. Simply click here to apply the change. Now let's play around with the size and position of the text until we're satisfied with the end result. It's looking good now. One important point to note is that this store is using low line spacing. So, to match that style, we'll need to decrease the line spacing. However, make sure not to make it too close, as we've learned from the reviews. For those wondering about the process of printing, shipping, or managing inventory, you'll be relieved to know that you don't have to handle all of that yourself. Thanks to the convenience of print-on-demand services, you can leave those tasks to the experts. Here's how it works. When someone places an order on our store, The order is automatically sent to a pod service provider who takes care of everything on your behalf. While there is a small charge for this service, rest assured that the fees are quite reasonable. Now, there are several pod service providers available, but we'll be using Printify. One of the reasons we chose Printify is because they offer 5 stores per account and unlimited product designs for free. Now let's head over to printify.com. You can find the link in the description. First, log in or sign up from this page. Once you're in, simply click on Catalog. In the search bar, search for stickers. You'll find a wide variety of options to choose from. However, I want to draw your attention to 2 specific ones. First, click here. Now, as you can see, this sticker is not waterproof. On the other hand, this one is waterproof. When selecting a sticker, please be cautious. If you want a waterproof sticker, go with this one. If you prefer a regular sticker, then choose this one. But don't worry, I won't leave you on your own to make this decision. Especially since you're watching the Wealthy AI channel. We strive to provide clarity and guidance. So here you have to choose the first one. Now, so let's analyze the costs first. If we choose the Kiss Cut sticker, it will cost $1.39. However, please note that this is the production cost, not the actual price. When someone places an order for a sticker, it will cost $1.39 to produce. You won't have to pay anything up front. Let's assume you set the price at $10. When someone makes a purchase, the production and shipping costs will be deducted automatically, and the remaining amount will be your profit. Speaking of shipping, the shipping cost Printify charges in the USA is $4.24. If we compare our prices to other competitors, we notice that some of them offer free shipping, while others charge half the shipping cost we do. These competitors produce their products themselves and operate on a low margin and high sales model. Based on our calculations, they have generated over $800,000 in revenue. Regarding profits, let's assume they achieve a 40 to 50% profit margin, which is still a substantial amount. Now, how can we compete with them? Let's examine this store that sells a single sticker for $3 with free shipping. If we offer a similar sticker for $3 and add a shipping cost of $4.29, the total price comes to $7.29. Now, as a customer, which option would you choose? Most likely the $3 option. However, selling at that price isn't feasible for us, as no one would purchase from us. So what will be our strategy? To handle this situation, we need to ensure our product is profitable, valuable for customers. Provide only 2x2 size, because if we offer them bigger sizes, then we will be in loss. Give shipping only in the US, because if we offer worldwide, then again we will be in loss. And finally, offer free shipping. Don't worry about free shipping. It will be profitable for us. Now, here's our plan. We will offer 2 stickers in a single pack for $10 with free shipping. When customers see our product, they'll think we're charging just $2 extra per sticker. And we will make our stickers highly attractive and more valuable, so that the chances of customers choosing us over the cheap ones are really high. Now let's calculate the profit. If we sell 2 stickers per pack for $10, our profit will be $1.83. And why is that? Because Etsy charges us listing fee, transaction fee, and payment processing fee. I bet nobody told you this. Now I understand it's not a huge profit, but I will be honest with you, because I am not someone who will mislead you or waste your valuable time. I prefer honesty and transparency. However, let me show you how you can make that extra $160 per month, totaling nearly $2,000 per year, by investing less than 30 minutes per day. To earn $160 per month, you'll need to make at least 90 sales monthly, although it might seem like a lot, but let's break it down. To achieve 90 sales per month, you only need 3 sales per day. Trust me, it's not as challenging as it sounds. Look at this store as an example. On average, it generates 70 to 80 sales per month per product, and they have multiple products. To reach our goal of $160 per month, we only need 90 sales from our entire store, not just one product. After conducting research, I found that you'll need around 12 listings and 150 views per day to make a sale. And for us, with our target of 3 sales, we'll require 450 views. Now you have 2 options to achieve this. Wait for Etsy to start promoting your products. which may take 2 to 3 months as a new store, or take matters into your own hands. To do this, I recommend creating social media pages for your store and promoting it there. You can even use AI-generated videos as they are going viral right now, similar to this one. To showcase your products, upload these videos on social media platforms and include your store link in the bio. But before we proceed, let me tell you something. If you are really serious about making money online, then don't go with this product. You can choose any other product, but don't go with this one, because it will take your time, hard work, and you will not get enough return. But if you have some free time and just want to try out simple things, then you can go with this one. Trust me, you'll easily generate the targeted views if you do it properly. And if you don't believe me, watch this video to see how someone made a substantial amount of money through free advertising on social media. And if you're interested in creating such AI-generated videos yourself, check out this tutorial. Alright, enough talking. I guess now you have my idea. So let's add our stickers to Printify and get started. Quick recap. So far, we've designed the sticker and understood the profit-generating idea. We've signed up for Printify, and now we find ourselves on this page. To get started, click on Start Designing, which will redirect you to this page. From here, select My Device and upload the sticker we created and downloaded from Canva. Now you can see how your design looks. Click on Preview, and you'll see our sticker in all its glory. You can even click on any of the 2 mockups to get a better idea of the final product. Choose the 2x2 size for the sticker, even though it might seem small, as a larger size would lead to loss. Click on Save Product after selecting the size. Make sure everything on your screen matches what's shown here. Also remember to change this to comes in only one size. Next, observe your competitors' titles, descriptions, and tags, and write something similar for our product. Scroll down and click to edit your price. Ignore the other parts. Now let's connect to store. Click on Connect, and then select Connect to Etsy, then sign into your Etsy account. Creating an Etsy store is a lengthy process, and I won't cover it in detail here. You can find tutorials on YouTube if you need help. Now, before we publish our product, take a look at this store again. They use catchy finger mockups, and we should follow what's already working. Let's create our mockup similarly. So make sure you are on this page. Then scroll down and click here to download this mockup. Next, come back to Canva and click on Add Page. Simply upload our downloaded image and open the image here. Next, hit / and type gradient. Click on See All and choose the one you like. Right-click and select Replace Background. Now, click on our image and then click on Edit Photo. Select Background Remover. Although it's a paid tool, you can find it at the lowest price from this group by tool company offering 20+ more tools for just $7. Make sure to check that out. After removing the background, we'll need to add a finger to the design. Type finger pinch in the search bar and then select Photos. I'll choose this image, and to make it easy for you, I'll provide the download link to this image in the description. First, crop it just like this, and then click on Remove Background. Now we will resize both the text and the hand image and perfectly align them, just like this. However, it doesn't look realistic, so let's fix that. Right-click and duplicate it, then select this image and crop it until here. Repeat the same process with the other one. Now, we have 2 different fingers, so make sure to close the gap between the finger and thumb. Next, select the index finger, right-click on it, click on Layers, and then choose Send Back. Now, you will have the exact same mockup as our competitors. Now this store uses the same mockup for every listing, and you can do the same. To create new mockups, just delete the current image and add a new one. This way, you'll have unlimited mockup options. After completing all of this, it will only take you 10 to 20 minutes per day to create many new mockups. I have included a Google Doc link in the description where you can find everything you need. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe and watch this video.